Hello everybody, welcome back to Hungry Trucker. My name's Ben, and down there is my lazy dog Mika. I used to be a chef, now I'm a truck driver, and I cook in my truck. Tonight I'm doing cheeseburger and fries. Something I love and I think every American loves. Without further ado, let's begin, shall we? I've got my tray that comes with my toaster oven, and I just put a piece of tin foil on it. Figured I'd spare the agony of showing you how to put tin foil on a tray. Sprayed it with a little non-stick spray, and here I've got a name brand restaurant seasoned curly fry. Not going to tell you the name, but if you like curly fries and roast beef sandwiches, then these are your French fries. They're just frozen in a bag. All I'm using is a toaster oven and a George Foreman grill. So I've got the toaster oven preheated to 425, and they take about 20 minutes or so. So let's get these bad boys in, and meanwhile I will get the burgers pattied up and the George Foreman grill set up, and when we come back we'll season up some burgers. Alright, I'll see you guys here in a little bit. Alright, welcome back. So the French fries are done. They're nice and crispy, a little golden brown. I turned off the toaster oven and I've set up the George Foreman grill and preheated that. Light's green, we're ready to rock. I've patted out the burgers and I seasoned the other side. I'm going to season the top side the same exact way to show you guys. So we've got salt, cracked black peppercorns, garlic, onion, Worcestershire sauce. I've already cut the buns in half, and I've gotten my cheese blend ready, which is just sharp cheddar and jalapeno pepper shredded cheese. So we'll get to that later, but right now we're going to season these. I don't only do the one appliance at a time because power inverter, 2500 watts. So I've got Worcestershire sauce and a fork. And what I'm doing is I'm stabbing the burgers where the Worcestershire is so it goes into the burger. I don't want it to just kind of run off all over the grill and stuff. I want it in the burger. So, a bunch of stabby. Go to the other one. I'm making 2 burgers. I'll probably have one for tomorrow. I made a bunch of fries. Doubt I'll eat them both. So these are like right about 8-ounce burger patties. It's a pretty fat burger, but those are pretty big, sexy buns. I got some onion rolls from the deli at the local grocery store. They just look amazing. They smell amazing. I love onion rolls. I didn't really think too far ahead, and I did not get lettuce, tomato, all that good stuff. No pickles. So I just have my condiments that I keep in my fridge, and that's it. But I'm cool with that. So there's the Worcestershire sauce. Now we got kosher salt, as usual. Always kosher salt, not iodized salt. You don't need iodine from iodized salt. It leaves this weird chemical flavor. I don't like it at all. There we go. No set amount. We don't measure things here in the truck. It's whatever makes you happy. But I would be careful with the salt. You never want to over salt something. You can't take it away. Once it's in there, you're done for. Got the black pepper. There's a little garlic powder. Use garlic powder, not salt, because I put salt in it. You don't need garlic, salt, and salt. So garlic powder and kosher salt, same thing. Onion powder, same thing, not onion salt. There we go, a little bit of onion powder. And that's the same exact on both sides. I like my burgers pretty well seasoned. I go a little bit heavier on the salt on a burger or a big piece of beef. I just want it to stand out. So here the George Foreman already heated up, smoking hot. Got my little grease tray set up and my spatula. So so we're not going to need that fork anymore. So here we go. I had to make them kind of like an oval shape just because they have to fit on the grill, and these are big fat patties. So as you can see, that's full. That's taking up the whole grill. I like my burgers a little bit more done than I like my steaks. Steak, mid-rare. Sure. Burgers, mid-well. I'm even kind of cool with a well-done burger because there's a lot of surface area on ground beef. And surface area can gather bacteria. So unless you're getting really fresh ground beef, I just kind of err on the side of caution and you know, go a little bit more on the well done side. So let's clean up here a little bit. Hey Mika, what's up, baby? Put these caps back on, and here now we're gonna get to our bread. So like I said, the French fries are already done, the curly fries from the unnamed roast beef fast food joint. They're amazing. Those are done, but they're sitting in the oven chilling because it's keeping them warm. Once again, kind of limited on the equipment you can use. So here's the cheese. I already showed you, but there we go. Normally I would cheese the burger, but how do I toast the bread and put the burgers in the oven to melt the cheese? And then I had to wrap my brain around this one for a minute. So this is the best solution I came up with. Really, what I need is a second cookie sheet, but I don't have one. So this is what we got. You could probably use a piece of tin foil, something like that, but why? No big deal. Here we go. Kind of spread out the cheese, even it all up a little bit. There we go. I'm gonna put these on broil. The toaster oven's already set to broil. I just don't have it turned on yet because I want the heat to come from the top, melt the cheese, and I'm really not toasting the bread, just heating it up. A little bit of toast, but I really want the cheese melted. So the George Foreman grill is pretty cool. Like when the light turns green, it's well done. You want to kind of try and catch it before the light turns green, because especially since I'm going to put this in the toaster oven after the George Foreman turns off, I'm going to let the burger sit there and rest. Oh my god, that smells good. Holy cow. You can see the steam rolling up. Oh man, it smells really good. So you got to kind of learn the George Foreman grill. I'm kind of new at it, but it's a great little tool. It does great for salmon, steaks, chicken. I've done all those things on there, and I like it. Kind of thought it was like a college kid dorm room kind of thing at first, but when I decided to start cooking in the truck, yeah, I'm digging it. So, alright, this will take probably another 5 minutes or so, and then we're going to unplug this, turn the toaster oven on, take the fries out, put the bread in, and then we're going to plate up our food. So I'll see you guys back here in 5 minutes or so. Alright, so that didn't take too long, just a couple minutes. Here we go, we got cheese is melted, got a little browning on it. That's cool, that's kind of what we were looking for. Wasn't really trying to toast the buns so much as just melt that cheese and heat up the bread a little bit. I don't like cold bread. All my sandwiches I toast. And this is close. So here we go. So I'm going to put fries back in the oven. Pop those bad boys up real quick. Won't take but just a sec while we do this. So I'm only going to eat one. We're making two. I'll probably eat another one tomorrow. There we go. We'll just set this bad boy over here. Got this. Oh, there's that power inverter again, freaking out. All I have is a toaster oven running. I know that's not 2,500 watts. Huh. That's something new. I just unplugged the refrigerator. Usually that does the trick. But, she's really tripping. So I'm probably going to have to finish this and, start the motor. But that should be about ready. Just wanted to give it a quick reheat. Oh yeah, there we go. Here we go. Got our wonderful French fries. Pop these over here. Wasn't sure how many would actually fit on a plate. Looks like I made a few too many. That's alright. There we go. Set these off the side. Sorry, Mika. Didn't mean to get y'all excited. We'll cut this open. See what we got. Hoping there's a little color in there. But if not, it's alright. I don't mind a well done burger, as long as it's not dead. Yeah, there we go. That's a well done burger, but it's still juicy. I can see the juice, so that's alright. There we go. That is a burger and fries. Add lettuce, tomato, pickle, onion, mayonnaise, ketchup, mustard, whatever you like. But this is what I'm going to do. I'll throw a little mayonnaise, ketchup, mustard on it, and I'll be happy as a clam. So this whole meal took, probably about 45 minutes or so. You know, it takes a while to preheat the oven, and the fries take the longest. The burger was actually really quick, so if you didn't want fries, the burger, hell, 10-15 minutes, just like that. So, if you liked what you saw, you know, give me a thumbs up, leave comments down below. If you guys want to see me cook anything specific, you know, let me know. I'm all about it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next Sunday. Thank you.